What is it that we need most in times like these? Isn't it the things that we have taken for granted? Like trust? Support? Reliability? Like cooperation? You know what? This is what describes Liebherr-Aerospace's MRO activities best. A strong partner supporting you at all times. With around 40,000 repairs and overhauls per year, Liebherr ensures just that, operational availability. But how can Liebherr-Aerospace reach this volume of MRO activities, expanding continuously while ensuring its renowned level of performance? Well, mainly by three crucial factors. A unique industrial performance combined with an extraordinary innovative support and an unparalleled commercial offering. By having a local presence, we are able to be as close as possible to our customers. That's what cooperation is all about, isn't it? And that's why we've set up supply chains and repair networks all over the world, shortening turnaround times. We meet our customers' needs by achieving a 95% on-time performance. We perform repair for air management systems, flight control, heat transfer equipment, and electronics in Europe, America, as well as Asia Pacific and China. Additionally, we overhaul landing gears in Europe, America, and in China. For all platforms, aircraft, helicopters, business jets, and defense, we offer high-level maintenance services as exchanges, tests, and repairs, as well as overhauls. Our tailored services also include performance-improving modifications and used serviceable materials solution. With a team of experts always looking forward. Hundreds of dedicated, highly trained professionals in our MRO businesses worldwide are able to take advantage of an exceptional 50-year experience of Liebherr-Aerospace and share best practices around our products. Our employees work according to international certifications, such as FAA, EASA, CAAC, and ANAC. And above all, to achieve the highest of Liebherr standards. Gradually and consistently, several innovations are put in place. All of this makes to keep flying safe and reliable with Liebherr quality.